This is an oblique cable squat with a row. You want to make sure that when you're setting this up, that it's a lightweight to start and that the cable is hip height. And we call it oblique because we're going to line our feet up, we're going to swing the door open, and we're going to be, a body position is going to be about an oblique 45-degree angle away from the cable. Just means that my obliques, my hip, my knee, and my foot are in a straight line, and I'm going to try to keep my body facing this way the whole time. You want to have a wide enough stance with soft knees to where you have a little bit of a negative shin angle where your knees are behind your ankles, especially on this lead leg. Even though we're squatting down into both feet, the focus and the awareness is on this lead leg right here. So as I complete the drill, I'm going to sink down nice and slow, letting my knees go over my toes, but staying heel heavy. And then I'm going to push through the right foot and the right inner heel here as I exhale and pull the row into this direction. The row is secondary. The heel and the squat on this right leg is the primary focus. So inhale down, nice and slow, staying really heavy on all three foot contacts. Exhale, pull through. You should feel your right hip working pretty hard. And if you need to, you can go a little bit heavier on this drill than your shift drill if you've done the oblique shift with row. And then what we want to think about is not rotating here as we go. So I'm going to stay straight in. I'm focused on staying stacked, hips over ribs. I'm not arching my back. I'm pushing through the heel right here and driving through, okay? And then the main idea of any oblique drill like this, especially these cable variations, is to keep your hip, your knee, and your foot in a straight line. For this drill specifically, you're probably going to have to rotate the knee out a little bit, especially if you have a knee that likes to sink inside your foot. So if you're doing it like this, you're not going to feel the outside of your foot or your outer hip. So we have to start that way. You need to sink down into a soft knee, rotate the leg out by getting heavy on your outer heel, turn on those abductors, and then keep that tension when you flatten your foot. So now I have 3 points of contact and my abductors on, and while I'm doing this, it is going to cook my hip while I'm connected to my foot. So notice how as I go down, my knee stays square through the toes, and then I pull straight up and it's not diving in. That's the hardest part about the move, but if you get it right, it will cook your hips, and it's a great warm-up primer drill to improve mobility, but also get you ready for some squats and some deadlifts. That's how an oblique cable squat with row is done. Very nice, I like.